Samsung just teased a tri-fold smartphone that's got the tech world buzzing, and it's not just another foldable. With a screen that promises to triple the fun, could this be the Galaxy Z Fold's wildest evolution yet? Stick around to see why fans are losing it over a summer 2025 drop. What's up, tech junkies? Samsung's latest move is trending hard. At a recent event, they flashed a tri-fold smartphone, leveling up their Galaxy Z Fold game. We're betting on a summer 2025 launch, and mobile tech fans, they're hyped. Today, we're unpacking this next-gen foldable, its monster screen potential, and what it means for you. Let's fold into it. Alright, let's picture this. Samsung's event stage lights dim, and bam! A tri-fold smartphone slides into view. No specs dropped, no name confirmed, just a sleek prototype with 3 folding panels. This isn't your standard Z Fold, it's a Galaxy Z Fold line glow-up. Sources are calling it a game changer, with leaks hinting at a summer 2025 reveal, likely along the Z Fold 7. What's got everyone buzzing? That screen. Rumors say it'll stretch 9.9 to 10 inches when fully unfolded, bigger than the Z Fold 6's 7.6 inches. Imagine a tablet-sized display that folds into your pocket. X posts are popping up, with fans screaming, "This is the future," and "Take my money now." Samsung's not new to folding screens. They've owned the game since the first Z Fold. But this tri-fold flex? It's next level ambition. So why is this trending like crazy? It's the versatility. Current Z Folds are dope, dual screens for work and play, but a tri-fold cranks it to 11. Need to multitask? Split that massive screen 3 ways. Movie night, unfolded for a mini cinema vibe. It's been speculated that it'll rock 2 hinges, folding inward like a G shape. Think Z foldable durability with an extra twist. X users are geeking out, with posts like, "Huawei's Mate X-T who?" Samsung's about to steal the crown. Speaking of Huawei, their tri-fold out, but it's China only and it's pricey, $2,700. Samsung's global reach and Google Play Edge could make this a knockout punch. Summer 2025, July or August might just be when Samsung drops this beast, and the hype's building fast. Now let's keep it real, there's a catch. Tri-folds are tricky. 2 hinges mean more moving parts, and leaks say Samsung's skipping the S Pen digitizer to keep it slim. Sorry, stylus fans. Production is rumored at just 200,000 units for starters, so it might be a limited drop like the Z Fold SE. Price? Brace yourself. Think Z Fold 6's $1,900, then add a premium. But the dream, a foldable that's phone, tablet, and laptop in one. X chatter split. Some call it a gimmick, and others call it a revolution. Me, I'm vibing with the fans who see Samsung pushing boundaries. This could redefine mobile tech by 2025's end. Now here's the scoop. Samsung teased it, but details are hush-hush. Summer 2025 is the target. We're betting on a Galaxy Unpack reveal. Will it hit that mark? Musk has missed Tesla deadlines before, and Samsung's no stranger to delays. Still, prototypes at CES 2025 showed off the tri-fold tech, so they're serious. For you, if it lands, it's a mobile upgrade that could change how you game, work, and flex. Keep your eyes peeled. This foldable future's unfolding fast. Are you sold on Samsung's tri-fold dream or holding out for more? Drop your hype level in the comments.